Yeah, buddy, Rat Rod Builds. So, I got a little hack for you guys here. If you find yourself having a lifter tick problem and it's driving you bananas, well, an easy way to fix it, get yourself an old set of valve covers, cut the center of it out right there so you don't get any oil out when you start the vehicle. Then you start the vehicle and you get yourself a 5/8 and you loosen it ever so slightly. While the engine's running, you'll hear the clatter. And you tighten it down afterwards. You make sure you know which one you got. You'll be able to hear which lifter's clattering. But anyway, you make sure it's good and tight, and then you give yourself 1/2 turn going all the way around, and that should be enough to set your lifter so you will not have any clatter. It's worked out pretty well for me in the past. Doing it just by pulling the valve covers off and putting cardboard or tin foil down, it always ends up making a mess. Valve covers are cheap. If you have extra ones, use them. I'll see you on the next one.